Welcome to the Environment and Biodiversity Lecture Series 3. In the previous series, we discussed what is a biodiversity and what is the environment and what is ecodiversity means and how to prevent this ecodiversity from the degradation. Now we can briefly discuss about the ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is a community of living organisms like plants, animals, microbes in a particular area. Eco means that eco refers to the part of the world and the system refers to the coordinating unit. So an ecosystem is a community of organisms and their physical environment where they interact together. So ecosystem means there is an interaction between the living organisms and the physical environment. So an ecosystem is a community of living organisms in conjunction with the environment's non-living components interacting as very simple. It is just an interlinking and the interaction of both biotic and abiotic factors. So what is a biotic factor? A biotic factor or a biotic component is nothing but the one which is a living thing. An abiotic component is not a living thing. For example, even a fungi, a plant, an animal, a human, a bacteria is a biotic component. And abiotic component which don't have any life, like soil, air, temperature, light, these are considered to be an abiotic. So a biotic components means they include living things. Living things means the things which can be observed through a microscope to the huge animal like elephant, giraffe, etc. So the major types of biotic components are eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So eukaryotes is having a membrane bounded organelles such as nuclei in their cells, plant, animal, fungi, etc. And the prokaryotes, those are lagging membrane bound organelles like bacteria, archaea. So abiotic components. An abiotic component includes all the non-living things. For example, rocks, soil, mineral, water sources, and the local atmosphere. So simply a non-living thing which does not have any living activity. The rock is not going to have any living activity. The soil is not having any living activity. So similar to abiotic components also have their ecological role. For example, elements, compounds, that is the source of nutrients for the plants, microorganisms, and the humans, which are supplied from uh, this abiotic factor, that is rock, soils, water resources. They are essential to the growth and metabolism of an organization or organism. So what we'd like to hear is an ecosystem is nothing but an interaction between the biotic and abiotic components. And the biotic components as a living thing, two types. One is eukaryotes and prokaryotes, based on the membrane-bound organelles in the nuclei. And abiotic components are non-living things around us. So with these 3C videos. So we discussed about environment, ecosystem, biodiversity, ecodiversity, and types of ecodiversities. Hope you understand the introduction towards this environment and biodiversity. The other things we can continue in the upcoming videos. Thank you.